On the same instrument that we measure brightness, we also can measure opacity. We need to make sure the C source is still on. We're going to do multiple measurements and we'll hit opacity. We have a stack that is thick enough that no light can go through. In this case we have 5 samples, so we will measure 5 readings, hit 5 and then hit enter again. The first part, we have 2 parts to measure an opacity. One is as the pad, and the second part would be as an individual sheet. So we're going to do all our pad measurements first by taking the top one, reading it, and placing it underneath, and then doing the next reading, and so on. So place our pad onto our stage, hit measure. Take the top sheet, put it underneath. Make sure you keep your hands from touching all over the pads. Just do it by the edges. Continue taking the top sheet and put it on the bottom and taking another measurement of the pad. And now we're on our last reading. We have measured the reflectance of a totally opaque sheet. Now we're going to do it as an individual sheet. So now we need to take this black cup, place it onto our stage, and take the top sheet that corresponds to the first reading we did as a pad and place it on the stage and hit measure. Set that sheet aside and take the next sheet and measure. Continue until we have all 5 completed. We have done all 5. Now we're going to hit enter to get our results. This will show our iso opacity and transparency and other factors. We also would like to know what our scattering coefficients are. So we need to input the grammage for our sample. In this case, we're using 60. Hit enter and hit enter again. And then OK. How come it didn't hit 60? Okay. And now we have our scattering coefficients.